Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 806. Title of today's lesson is the difference between content with an N and context with an X in it. Okay, let's continue. The content refers to the subject matter and details that are contained within a speech, writing, video, etc. Let's continue. The context refers to the circumstances surrounding the content, such as the setting, the audience, the time, the place, or any other factors that may influence how it was meant or understood. Let's continue. And we got 7 examples here to show just how it is used. Here's the first one. He is not allowed to discuss the contents of this report. So he's not allowed to discuss the details, the facts that are in it. It has nothing to do with the context, it's the contents. Number 2, the story is too simple. It is lacking any deep content. So the facts in it are too simple. We want something that's more challenging. Number 3, this movie has too much violent content to be shown to children. So yeah, the details in the story, there's too much violence. It would not be suitable for children to watch. All right, now number 4, this is not the right context. So this is not the right situation or circumstance. This is not the right context for this line of jokes. Elderly people would not be able to relate to it or relate to those jokes or whatever. Okay, good. Number 5, that journalist took my quote out of context. And we hear context used in this sense, that the media does this all the time. Like a politician may say something and they only cut a little bit of a clip and they show you that, and then they tell you what he meant by it. But if you watch the whole speech, you would think it was completely different because they're disguising the circumstances or the surrounding, and they're telling you it means something. Then if you watched it, you would understand it that he didn't mean it that way. So they took his words out of context. We often hear a lot of people say that when somebody says, "Did you say that?" "Yes, but they took my words out of context." Good. Let's continue. In this context, it makes sense. So in this situation, in this set of circumstances, it makes sense. Maybe in a different one, it may not. Number 7, you need to understand the historical context of that day. So whatever the situation is, you need to understand the circumstances, the surroundings, what it was like, what the time and place was like there. Okay, anyway, I hope you got a better feel now of when you're more likely to use content and when you're more likely to use content. Thank you for your context. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.